Son, where were you at exactly 3:23 a.m. last night?
I like your glasses. Sleeping?
You and the truth, you just don't seem to get along, do you?
Yeah.
Cuff his wrists to his ankles, tase him 10 times, then release the cuffs.
Is this gonna hurt?
The Muffuletta was invented in New Orleans by Sicilian immigrants.
Tell me the truth, boy.
Okay, be that way then.
Son, I have surveillance, security camera footage. Roll it.
Many times they'll use a panini press. That's why my buddy stole that brick for 24 hours. He gave it back.
No.
But if you're not all highfalutin and you don't have a panini press, you can use a brick. It's sort of like pizza with a thick bready crust. It's disgusting. And it reminds me of Stouffer's French bread pizzas.
No one splits a French bread pizza. No one. That's why you eat it yourself.
They are terrible for two distinct reasons. One, they represent being poor, and second, they represent loneliness. Being poor and living in solitude is a bad combo. Hey, get off my park bench! You are one financial misstep away from not being able to cut coupons out of the paper because it might put holes in your blanket, which is the newspaper. It's getting kind of chilly at night. I might have to steal that newspaper off your front doorstep. God, it'd be like the comforter on a double king.
Alright, be that way then.
In this case here, instead of olive salad, I'm making kind of a funky gardeniera. In this case, I'm using a soft Italian loaf. Although I couldn't find it, ciabatta would be the best bread to use.
I don't know.